Okay, so now we have the repair strategy in Qualcomm, we need to understand what rights and obligations we have. So remember, we own 200 shares of Qualcomm at a net cost of 56.28. So in our part one of our strategy, we bought the right to buy another 200 shares at $48. So now we've got rights in this particular trade, this particular section, which basically gives us control over our 400 shares of Qualcomm. Then the second part of the trade, by selling the covered call, we obligated ourselves to sell the shares of Qualcomm at 52.50. And we sold four contracts, so our obligation is 400 shares. So if Qualcomm jumped up to $60, that's no good to us because we're going to have to sell our shares at 52.50. So that's part of our obligations that we need to understand. So what happens if the share price does get to 52.50? Well, it's now expiry Friday. Remember that we own 200 shares of Qualcomm at 56.28. So our total cost there was 11,256. If we bought another 200 shares at $48, that would add in another cost of $9,600. And then we're able to sell 400 shares at 52.50, which will bring us in $21,000. So remember, we had a cost of implementation of the repair at $74. So our total profit now is 21,000 minus the cost of owning the 200 shares of Qualcomm, minus the cost of buying the next 200 shares at $48, minus the cost of the repair strategy. So that gives us a profit of $70. So our repair was achieved. So remember, we own the shares at 56.28. We're now selling them at 52.50 and we're making a profit of $70. So that repair strategy makes perfect sense to apply. This is the maximum amount we can make, and you will see that in the profit and loss tables that we're going to do later on. So what if we decided to do nothing and the share price goes to 52.50? So if we didn't implement our repair strategy, well, we would own 200 shares of Qualcomm at 56.28. We would be selling them at 52.50. So that would equal a loss of $756. So as you can see, it makes perfect sense to know about and to implement the repair strategy because we've managed to turn what would have been a loss of $756 into a profit of $70. So that's how powerful the repair strategy is. So next what we're going to do is go through our profit and loss table in greater detail, and that will show you for every potential scenario what your profit or your loss will be in the repair.